True all-brick ranch home with lots of updates, see supplements. Large main floor laundry and full bath with double vanity. Newly updated kitchen, new stainless appliances, quartz countertops, and new flooring, also in live room and hall. Energy audit performed on house, insulation added plus complete roof replacement in 2017. Third car utility garage through lower level walkout, great workshop area. Plus large cement pad, 50 plus x 15, on side of home was used to store large RV with room to spare. Lower level offers approximately 1,400 square feet, partially finished, including full functioning bath with water and sewer, just needs a little finish work. Large deck over third car garage overlooks the fenced, treed yard. By downtown Blue Springs.